Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the goal, a single clear idea for 15-60 seconds. Once decided, frame vertical 9:16 at 1080 x 1920 and set your phone or camera on a tripod. Make sure to position one key light slightly above eye level to avoid harsh shadows. You then set audio, a lapel or phone close to the mouth, record a 3-5 second ambient room tone, and run a quick test take to confirm exposure, focus, and sound levels before recording. You move into shooting with a simple 3-shot plan: wide to establish, medium for action, and close for emotion. Once rolling, keep individual takes under 15 seconds to preserve energy, vary pacing and angles to maintain visual interest. You direct with short, actionable cues, countdowns, hand signals, and single-line prompts, so performances stay consistent. Make sure to capture B-roll and cutaway detail for transitions. You'll periodically review footage, marking good takes and noting any pickups needed to save edit time later. You finish by assembling the strongest shots into a tight 15-60 second sequence, trimming anything that slows the story. Once done, apply one cohesive color grade and add motion cuts for rhythm, then export with hard-coded subtitles for accessibility. Make sure to export H.264, vertical 9:16, 4.8 Mbps for social platforms. If audio pops or lip-sync drifts, replace with the cleanest take or use the room tone to smooth edits. Re-record a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.